The COOFANDY men's two-piece cotton linen set is a fantastic summer outfit that combines style and comfort effortlessly. This set includes a short-sleeved Henley shirt with a unique sleeve cuff design and a chest pocket, paired with loose-fitting beach pants that feature two convenient pockets. The design of this set is both practical and stylish, making it easy to wear and versatile for various occasions. One of the standout features of this set is its fabric. Made from a blend of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, the material is lightweight, breathable, and comfortable. This fabric blend ensures that you stay cool and relaxed even on the hottest of summer days. The shirt and pants are designed to offer a relaxed fit, which adds to the overall comfort and makes it ideal for beach days, vacations, and casual leisure activities. The Henley shirt can be easily paired with other casual items like loose pants, slacks, or jeans. Similarly, the beach pants can be matched with t-shirts, tops, or tanks. This flexibility allows you to create various looks with just one set, making it a practical addition to your summer wardrobe. It is machine washable or can be hand washed in cold water on a gentle cycle. This easy maintenance ensures that you keep your outfit looking fresh without much hassle. In summary, the COOFANDY men's two-piece cotton linen set is a stylish, relaxed fit. Its practical design and easy maintenance make it a great choice for beach days, vacations, and casual activities.